Good morning, everyone. We're the Group 5, and the topic that we chose for today is about grafts and corruption inside a company. I'm with Rosemary Kisil, Ildrian De Tuerto, Jewel Salasinas, and Nika Sopocado.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. We are here today for the urgent meeting to investigate the alley corruption that is happening in our company, which was said that you, Mr. Salasinas, have pocketed from the company for more than $12,000.
Jewel Salasinas, in charge and head of finance department. Based on the system, our financial statement report says that we have gained over $91,264 in total revenue for this year. But why is it the actual counting of money? Our company has only 78,386 US dollars. Are we missing something here? Please explain and fulfill your role as the head of finance department.
Okay, so please show to us our latest financial data, Mr. Rituerto.
As you can see in the financial data, those numbers are present. But in our bank statement, why is it there's no $12,000 missing?
What can you say, Mr. Salasinas?
So I want to clarify things that the remaining money was not pocketed. Instead, it was kept for emergencies that will occur for the project. Also, others are for the unpaid salaries for the employee who rendered service already. The funds were liquidated by the receipts with less than $10,000 liquidation reports still pending.
Okay, so emergency funds should be declared to everyone and must be included in liquidation. It seems like you're hiding something by not letting us know the actual cash flow of the company, Mr. Jewel.
How come? You're telling us that you kept the money? Is that your new work in the company? Based on your current system of account from the bank that you pay the 50% cash for the new car you bought last month. How can you explain this to us, Jewel?
Now, calm down, everyone. He already said he didn't keep the money. Instead, he set it aside where it can be used for emergencies. Let us not jump into conclusions and bombard Mr. Salasinas with accusatory questions. Let's first hear him out. Go, Mr. Salasinas.
With all due respect, there's nothing involved about my personal asset here. We kept the money not on my bank account, but on the project that is still pending liquidation going on. The money is not missing. As of late, 85% already liquidated from the project.
It all can be seen in the data. Since he's the head of the financial department, it's impossible that the data and actual money differ just because of fault counting. Him as the head is responsible to monitor and assure that data are the same with the actual. His bank statement says it all. How did he pay the full 50% cash for that car? If we sum up his 89,000 wage monthly, he can't pay an instant 50% cash for a million peso car.
Guys, he has been with us for what? 10 years already? In those years of service in our company with a yearly salary of what, roughly 1.8 million before taxes, surely he has created a small business of his own and has the money to purchase a million peso car, let alone drop a 50% down payment for it.
Again, I would like to clarify that my personal assets aren't involved in this issue. I still have more assets rather than my salary here in the company. I still have property that I could pay for the car I procure.
You all know that we could keep a corrupt in a company, or else we're all going down. Business is business. This situation is clear. We can't blame others because other employees can access the money without his permission.
Yes, I do agree with you, Mr. Rituerto, that we cannot accept corruption within the business. Moreover, I can give you evidence that I didn't pocket any money or any centavo from the company. If you could give me time to present those to you.
Okay. So corruption imposes additional costs that negatively affects our company, performance and productivity. So our financial records that are hidden under a cloak of privacy invite bribery, extortion, and corruption. So we should make our accounting records completely transparent to fight corruption in our company.
Look, we all know how hardworking Mr. Salasinas is when it comes to his job. He has done a fine job running our finances. I know that we are all agitated for the loss of money and that our heads aren't clear when making a decision. So, I would propose that Mr. Salasinas to be temporarily demoted from his position as a financial manager until further notice. This is the only solution I could provide since we all know that the evidence is only the final financial statements. We have to further investigate this because, for all we know, maybe the employees of his department have made a mistake and just edited the financial statements. This is to give Mr. Salasinas the chance to prove to us that his words are true. If he was right at the beginning and we fired him, what kind of company would we become if we didn't give him a chance to prove himself? This is the right thing to do, and if what we speculated was right, then we will take legal actions in this matter. That's all.
Um, all I can say is this situation is a lesson to everyone. We leaders must be extra careful to every decisions we make. We're the one that others look up. In every decision, there's a consequence, either good and bad.
Okay, so um let's call it a day, guys. We will further investigate this issue next meeting. Meeting adjourned.
Thank you everyone for
Thank
giving me a
you.
Thank
chance.
you.